likes it. See? Now he'll go to the barber now. Wow. Dapat nga meron pong kumot eh. Wala ka ba gano'n?
Ito, alam ko nga yun eh.
Yan.
I can see your kilikili, Andrew, on the video.
I-cut nyo mo lang yun. Good, good, yeah.
Doing good.
Yeah, it's safe. See?
Should we do the front too?
Of course.
No?
Yung
Yeah, it's
back?
not gonna hit it. Okay. Because it's long. This is long.
I don't want to.
Okay.
I know it's hard. You know it's hard if you...
Oh my gosh. I think, babe, the bangs,
What?
you should use scissors, hon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oo, may pa
No scissors for Jerry.
Andrew, look up.
Look up. Very good.
Andrew, wow, look at
See,
this.
that's moving. Now let's go to the barber to fix it. Now we can go. Oh, Jerry, it's getting better. Getting better. Oh, galing. Oh.
Yeah, ukakan, look.
No, it's good. See?
Wow, cute.
Awesome.
Wow.
You cannot do that, Jerry. It's always go, ano yun, pa-contra against the,
Here, you
It's
can
like
go
cutting-
sideways,
it's
hon.
like cutting steak.
Do the back already, honey.
The back.
He looks
Oh,
different
get
now.
powder, and then the brush.
Dali, naka-video.
Dahil ito kayo manipisan onte.
Hmm?
Ito.
Sa'yo? Tama na, na-sample ka na. Pasok ka na. Sige.
Dito, pero wag
Hindi,
yung
ano
sobrang
yung nakita? Ano yung talaga nakita? Ito na. Yung ano talagang parang ano,
What do you mean?
Parang military talaga.
parang military na.
Oy! Ayoko nga kasi ito.
Good. It's handsome. Look. Yeah. See? Better. That's good.
Mga nasa army ka na, Andrew. You like it?
Ayokong ako eh.
Basta nga maano siya, wag lang yung parang hatakin yung buhok.
See, makakati yan eh. Pag nakati siya, ayun, hindi na powder.
Hindi, ano nga nangyayari sa tiyan niya?
Oo, parang kinakamot niya.